students, welcome to Computer Period. Today we will continue creating tables by writing HTML codes. And what are the steps to follow for writing HTML code? First is you have to open a text editor or notepad, that we have already learned. Today we will write the same and for the purpose of creating tables. Okay. Now first step is, as you know, HTML you have to write. Then you have to write head. Third line we have to write title of the page. We will write my web page of Mark report. Okay. Title of the page. Close that with the close tag. Then slash head. Then we'll start writing contents of the page. Start writing with the body tag. Now we want to create a table, so we'll write table. Now we want a border, so table border is equal to we'll write 2, and we'll give the width of the table is equal to 80% of the page, so 80%. Okay. Now next is we want to give heading for the table, so write a caption. Whatever caption we want to write, that you have to write within caption tag. We'll write Mark's report, and close that. And we want, if you want that Mark's report should be in the big size letters, we can give H1. H1 means highest font size. And if you want to get underline means or bold, everything, we can give bold. Okay. So B. Next, whatever we want to write, we want to write Mark's report. Then we can close it with the H1. Here we have to close H1. Next we give blue B, no, so write B, close bold. Then we can give slash caption heading. So we have started with caption, then H1 bold or heading as Mark report, then close the tags H1, B and caption. Now we want to start writing column heading, and first of all we want to write a TR, then TH. In the last class we have studied what is the meaning of TR. TR means table row and TH means column heading. Now we want to give column heading as roll number. We'll write, then we can end that TH. Then we can write the name of the students, name slash TH. Then we can write average marks. Okay, how much scored? Average marks slash TH, and we can give the column heading as remarks or result. Okay, result slash TH. Then we have to close that row, so slash TR. Next, continue writing. We want to write again TR, table row. So whatever we want to write roll number, we have to write with the TD, isn't it? TD will start from roll number 201. Again we start have to start at TD and we have to end that TD. Then what is the name? We can write inside TD, we can write some name of the student. Then we'll write average marks. Average marks 96% average. Okay, we'll write within TD. Then result what it is getting as distinction, we'll write as distinction. Slash TD, that you know. Next, as we can close TR, that row we can close, that becomes the information of a student who is having roll number 201. Next, continue writing information of the next student. TR, start with the TD, then we'll start roll number, next roll number T201, then TD, again next we'll write name as some student, TD, and we'll write roll number, name, then average marks. And result we can write as good, or we can write distinction. Okay, here we can write first class. Okay, first class, because we are writing the grade now. First class slash TD over, again TR close over. We have finished writing the information of two students. We can continue one more. So start writing TR, again write TD and write the word to roll number 203 and write slash TD, again next information of the row we can write student of the name of the students, then we can write percentage of marks has scored is 89% slash TD. Now again what is the result? Oh, very good, or excellent, good, very good we write. Okay. We are writing distinction, first class, or it is also will write first class only. Like this, we can write, fill the informations in the rows. So close TR. So till now we have wrote the informations of the students, 3 students, and we have to close that with the slash table. Okay, now we have to write a slash body and slash HTML. Now we want to see the what we have to do first. First the step is to, after finish writing, we have to save the file. We save the file as file save, and we'll give file name. You can write marks table dot HTML. Okay, marks table dot HTML. We have saved that, and next step is to go to any browser and open our file marks table dot HTML. and output how it appears is like this. So output of the code. See what we wrote the heading as marks report. So caption means heading of the table. So marks report, and we have written in the H1 size, big size and bold. If you want to underline for that, you can add here U and close that U. Then whatever table the column of the column heading, we have whatever heading we have given TH. So you are getting here roll number, then we give name, then we give average marks. So whatever we give TH, that you are getting as a column heading, average marks, that result. Like this you are getting. And here we give a table border is equal to 2. So you will get like this, two lines. Okay. You can write in the notepad and you can practice it, and you can do the result. Then we wrote the roll number 201, name of the student, whatever we wrote, and the result distinction. So like this you will get the answer, output of this code in the page. 202 we gave the name as Bharat, and percentage of marks is 74%, and first class, and one more student's name we wrote 203, we wrote the student's name as Charan, and percentage of marks we wrote is 89%. So give first class like this. They get the table with having border like this, and with the heading as marks report. So that for that purpose we write a caption. Understood now? Okay. Now I think you understood, and we will do practically in our system. Next we will do one more small example. For that we will open the notepad and start writing the code. So what is that? In order to get a message in your system. So for example, we want to write the name of your school or your name. For that purpose, we have to write one more using the tag mark cube. So that is a notepad and start writing. First step is HTML, then second is head, and third is title. Title will give my web page or message. Okay. So title will close, then slash head, then we'll give body tag, and if you want color of the page, you can give body BG color, COLOR, equal to. You want to give some color, I'll write yellow, and we want to get text color. So we can give text color or font color. Font color is equal to. So I'll write red in double quotes. Close that. We want the page color as yellow and font color as red, and we want to get message as welcome to our school. So for that purpose we have to write the tag MARQUE. So what the message you want to give? Welcome to. We'll write our school name, Indrali English Medium High School. Okay, then close that tag. MARQUE. And then we can write the close tags for body, then /HTML. This is the small example. In order to get the message, this goes on moving in your screen. So file save and we will do file name message.html. Okay, message.html. Then we can use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome and open this file name message.html and see that you can get the message like this. Welcome to Indrali English Medium High School. If you want that color of the font and we have mentioned here. Understood? You can write some other message also. Your name also you can write, or place name also you can write. Okay. I hope you have understood this today's class. Thank you, students.